What's up, everybody? This is Andrew with the Medellin Living channel. We are on the road. I don't have my car today because it is in the shop, but I'm here with Manuela.
Hi.
We are on our way to look at an amazing apartment. If you're interested in purchasing a property here in Medellin, there is a link in the description below. All you got to do is click that, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Let's go check this one out. Oh my God, look at this place. This is incredible, guys. I would have never guessed that this place existed if you just looked at the facade, right? I don't even know where to start. Well, let's start over here at the jacuzzi because this is the biggest attraction, I guess, and it's being filled up right now for us. Manuela, are we gonna get in? No, you're not gonna get in? All right. It's cold? It's actually cold, yeah. It's not heated right now, but yes, this will get full, and this is like, you could fit a whole basketball team up in this. This is a 1-bedroom studio, basically. It's 87 square meters, which is about 900 square feet, or maybe a little bit more. Let's go over here and check out the rest of the apartment over here. So this area right here overlooks a little creek, and we're literally like a 5-minute walk to Provenza, which is amazing. Having your breakfast right here, overlooking this creek over here. You got nature, you're basically living in nature. So this is the perfect type of property for investment or lifestyle because of the fact that you are so close to all of the nightlife, all of the restaurants, all of the cafés in Provenza and El Poblado, but you also have the tranquility and nature right at your doorstep. This is the bed here. This is a king-size bed, pretty comfortable. By the way, this comes all furnished if you wanted it. You've got a TV here, which I thought was pretty cool use of space. I don't think this goes up, but no, it's fixed. But this is the TV here for this bedroom area. And then over here, you've got a walk-in closet. You can go ahead and check that out, Manuela. Yeah, it's a pretty big closet. I mean, look at this. Yeah, it's a lot of space. And over here, look how big this shower is. Wow, should I get it? I can't get in there with my shoes, right? So it's a pretty big bathroom, pretty big walk-in closet. We're gonna check out the kitchen area over here. I love the fact that they put these bar stools here. These bar stools make it easy so that if you've got company over, whatever, you could be cooking on the stovetop. This is a pretty big kitchen area. Despite the size of the apartment, it's only a studio apartment. You still have a lot of space to cook, entertain, and live. Oh, look, they've got the microwave here, and they've got the oven here, and then the stovetop here. Awesome. Okay, let's check out this living area here. You've got the TV set inside the wall. You've got this couch, also brand new. The owner says that it took him over a year to build this all out. It was completely gutted and remodeled from the floor to the ceiling, including all of the plumbing, obviously for the jacuzzi, all of the electrical work so that it's all smart, and the furniture is new. I guarantee that this would have a 90% occupancy because of the fact that it is so close to Provenza. Oh yeah, this is the social bathroom. Love the micro cement treatment on the walls. Everything about this apartment is modern. It feels new. It feels up to date. It doesn't feel old, but at the same time, it doesn't feel cold. Even though you've got the industrial style exposed ceiling, it still feels like a home. It feels like you could live in it. I think it's because the owner does live in it. He's got like family pictures up, etc. So it definitely gives you that warmth. So if you're interested in this apartment, maybe you're not even interested in buying it, maybe you want to rent it out, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this one. Looking forward to hearing from you. We'll see you guys in the next one.